Okay, for number 15, we'll be adding these two algebraic fractions, and unfortunately, they do not have the same denominator, but we can take up this, right? So let's go ahead, factor and factor, right? For this one, x squared minus 9, which is the same as saying x squared minus 3 squared. Therefore, we can use the difference of two squares formula. This is going to be x minus 3 times x plus 3, isn't it? And now, this one, we don't have to factor it because this is just x minus 3. Okay, how can we produce the lowest common denominator? For the second one here, first let's put this down with a parentheses. And you see this and that are in common. We need to have x plus 3 here, right? So let's go ahead and do that. Multiply the second fraction by that. X plus 3 on the bottom and also x plus 3 on the top. Like this and like that. Okay. Next, we will have the same denominator, right? That's great. Okay, let's just write it down first. X minus 3 times x plus 3. And we will combine like terms on the top. Right here, we have just the 2x. And this is a positive 6. Positive 6 times x. That will give us plus 6x, right? I don't have to change the sign because it's positive 6, right? Positive 6 times positive 3, that will give us plus 18, just like that. This is great. Okay, now we will combine items on the top. Here we have 2x plus 6x, so that's going to be 8x. And then this is just a plus 18, so we just put on plus 18, okay? And on the denominator, we have this over that, which is just x minus 3 times x plus 3. Okay, so can we factor anything out and cancel things out? Well, on the top, we have 8x plus 18. We can factor out 2, right? That's the most that we can do. We cannot factor out 4 because 4 is not, it does not go into 18. 2 works. Okay, 8 divided by 2 is 4. And then we have the x. And then that's plus. 18 factor out 2. So it's like 18 divided by 2. We have 9 left. So just like this. And notice that in this case, this factor it's not the same as any of the factor on the bottom. In fact, we cannot cancel things out at all, right? But you should always factor out the top after you combine like terms so that you can see if there's anything that we can cancel out. But in this case, we cannot. Therefore, we will just leave the answer like this. On the top, we will have 2 times 4x plus 9. And on the bottom, we have that. X minus 3 times x plus 3. So remember, we can write our answer in the factorative form and usually prefer it this way because we can double check and triple check to see if there's anything that we can cancel or not. That's it for this one.